How to use Phantom Wallet tutorial. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and search for Phantom Wallet, and go ahead and download the application further. Once downloaded, open the Phantom Wallet application and tap on the Create New Wallet option you see there. You will then be shown with a 12-word seed phrase, so save your secret recovery phrase. You can write it down and store it securely, and make sure not to share this phrase with anyone. Further, create a strong password to secure the wallet on your device, and once set up, Phantom will show you your wallet address, which you will use to send or receive assets. Now, let's see how to receive crypto in Phantom Wallet. To receive Solana, Ethereum, or supported tokens, open the wallet and select the network you want to use from the top right corner, and then tap on the Receive button. Now choose the token you want to receive, and a QR code and wallet address will appear. Copy the address or share the QR code with the sender. Next, how to send crypto from Phantom Wallet. Open your wallet and tap on the Send option you see there, and paste the recipient's wallet address. Enter its correct network, that is SOL or ETH, etc., and then enter the amount you want to send. Confirm the transaction by tapping on the Send button, and with this, your crypto from Phantom Wallet will be sent. Now, how to buy crypto in Phantom Wallet. Open the wallet and tap on Buy, and then choose your preferred provider such as MoonPay or Coinbase Pay. Select the token you want to purchase, example SOL or USDC, etc., and enter the amount and complete the transaction using your payment method such as credit or debit card. Now let's see how to swap tokens in Phantom Wallet. Open the wallet and tap on the Swap tab. Select the tokens you want to swap, example swap SOL for USDC. Further, enter the amount to swap and review the fees, and finally tap on the Swap button to confirm. Phantom automatically finds the best rates using decentralized exchanges. So this was about Phantom Wallet tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.